You're pouring money into marketing, building killer features, and still losing subscribers? Here's why. The real battle isn't won on flashy metrics, it's in the numbers you're ignoring. In a world awash with data, the most transformative insights often lie hidden in plain sight. Companies collect vast amounts of information about their customers, yet many cling to superficial metrics like total subscriber counts or basic churn rates. They miss the nuanced, actionable patterns that could redefine their growth trajectory. Nowhere is this truer than in subscription analytics, where the humble burn rate, the rate at which subscribers cancel, is frequently misunderstood or underutilized. While competitors fixate on vanity metrics, the real winners are those who decode the secrets buried within their churn data. Here are 3 overlooked yet powerful secret ingredients that can turn burn rate analysis into a competitive superpower. Micro-segmentation. Beyond vanity metrics, most businesses track churn as a single aggregated number. This approach is like measuring a patient's health with only their temperature. It flags a problem but offers no diagnosis. Micro-segmentation, breaking churn into granular cohorts based on behavior, demographics, or life cycle stage, reveals the why behind cancellations. Why it's overlooked. Companies often lack the tools or curiosity to dig deeper. Aggregated data feels sufficient until revenue starts slipping. How it transforms results. A fitness app discovered that users who canceled within 30 days shared a common trait: they'd never completed a single workout. Armed with this insight, the team revamped their onboarding to include personalized goal setting and daily reminders. Result? A 35% reduction in early churn. How to implement? Use analytics platforms, e.g., Mixpanel, Amplitude, to segment cancellations by user actions, e.g., logged in 3 times, never used feature X. Prioritize segments with the highest impact on revenue. For instance, a SaaS firm might target high customer lifetime value users in a specific industry. Test tailored interventions like targeted emails or feature tutorials for each segment. Predictive churn modeling. Anticipating the storm before it hits. Reactive strategies are losing strategies. While most businesses analyze churn after the fact, predictive analytics uses machine learning to forecast which subscribers are likely to cancel and why. Why it's overlooked. Building predictive models requires technical expertise and clean data, which many companies assume are out of reach. How it transforms results. Netflix's success hinges on its ability to anticipate preferences and prevent churn. By analyzing viewing habits, search queries, and engagement patterns, it recommends content that keeps users hooked. Similarly, a telecom giant used predictive models to identify customers at risk of switching providers due to poor network performance, then proactively offered account credits or upgrades, reducing predicted churn by 20%. How to implement? Partner with data science platforms, e.g., IBM, SPSS, Google Cloud AutoML, or hire analysts skilled in Python, R. Feed models diverse data, usage frequency, support ticket history, billing issues, and even social media sentiment. Deploy triggers for high-risk customers, such as personalized outreach or exclusive offers. Actionable feedback loops. Closing the gap between data and action. Churn data alone isn't enough. Without a system to convert insights into action, businesses remain stuck in an analysis paralysis cycle. Actionable feedback loops bridge this gap by embedding churn insights into workflows across marketing, product, and customer success teams. Why it's overlooked. Siloed teams and manual processes delay responses, making churn feel inevitable rather than preventable. How it transforms results. When a meal kit delivery service noticed a spike in churn among urban professionals, its feedback loop kicked in. The product team redesigned recipes to cater to shorter prep times, marketing launched a survey to validate preferences, and customer success offered discounts to at-risk subscribers. Together, these steps reversed a 12% quarterly churn trend. How to implement. Automate workflows using tools like Zapier or HubSpot to alert teams when churn risk spikes. Create a centralized dashboard visible to all departments, highlighting key drivers of churn, e.g., server downtime increased cancellations by 8%. Run blameless postmortems after major churn events to refine strategies collaboratively. The road less traveled leads to growth. The secret ingredients above aren't revolutionary, they're refined ways of seeing and acting. Micro-segmentation uncovers hidden truths, predictive modeling turns hindsight into foresight, and feedback loops ensure no insight goes to waste. Together, they form a blueprint for mastering burn rate analytics in the subscription economy. As you reflect on your own strategy, ask, are you merely tracking churn, or are you decoding its language? Are you reacting to fires, or building a fortress against them? The data you need is already in your grasp. What matters now is the courage to dig deeper, connect the dots, and act decisively. In a landscape where competitors vie for attention, the quiet innovators, the ones who master the invisible metrics, are the ones who win. Start today. Your next breakthrough is hiding in plain sight. Burn rate isn't just a metric, it's a treasure map. Micro-segmentation reveals where you're bleeding subscribers. Predictive modeling tells you who's leaving before they do. And feedback loops turn insights into unstoppable action. Ignore these, and you're flying blind. Master them, and you'll outpace competitors clinging to outdated tactics. Your data is screaming answers. Hit subscribe, and let's turn your churn crisis into your unfair advantage. The next chapter of your growth starts now.